Who's gonna be on national TV? I'll do it. I could totally just be the pretty girl. I don't even want to be in it. Okay. Alright. Now we're performing. Yeah? I do not need your negativity. But I thought, that's ugly and useless. Why are you walking away? I'm embarrassed for you. Got the star on top. Please wait. I cannot. I'm making them do stuff for me. 'Cause I'm pretty. There's 20 boxes of ornaments in the garage. Go get them. Yeah, change my mind. Ornaments. Get them. Soon. First we have to flock it. You... What it? Flock it. There is. Sorry. Which, well, Daniela Monet, yes. Trina, who's Tori's older sister. Okay. I just spit. I know. I should have kept going. Sorry. Sorry. Tori, did a package come for me? I ordered these delicious new Fazzini shoes with 10-inch heels. Who can walk in 10-inch heels? Awesome people like me. Oh, it's an automated helpline. Oh, no. Yes. Turn off your speakerphone. Why don't you turn off your butt? I don't see the door. Hey, Trina. Okay, Fazzini shoes. I'm wearing them. They're mine. Jogging. I fell down. Oh. Two little Canadian boys laughed at me at the dang door. Hello, St. John. You're not supposed to talk. I'll talk if I want to talk. Dump her. Robbie has a pimple on his back that you see happened for him. puppet for him. Starring Trina. Stop it! Just get another Pearphone GX. Means I win. Only because I'm lucky and pretty. And can we hate you because you're conceited and untalented? Would you want shit? You guys might break up because I'm not dating anyone, and I've always thought that Beck and I would make the perfect. I'm tired of fighting. I would never fight with you. Just give me a chance. Really fun, girl. The cards. We just hit the pair store this morning. You need to be on. There's a party tonight and Sean Quincy's gonna be there. Andre, I would never be pushy, but when and where is this party? 'Cause I'm going. Fine. I'll just follow him. A singer and a dance chance. I swear I will blow your mind with my talent. Text me after the party. No! Wait! Hey, Trina. Hey, pretty boy, looking for more? Yeah. Because if people think that you're interested, you bit my lip. I tried to bite both. Trina! Sup, Trina? What are you here for? You. Me? I don't understand. Ever since you kissed me this morning, it's affected me. Oh, I had a burrito for breakfast. Was it the onions? I like you. What? Can I come over to your house tonight? Yes! Oh my God, yes, please! You want me to make you some dinner? Yeah. Will you make me a chicken? Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll make you a chicken. put this stupid... This is a turkey. And, I'm gonna go in the garage and run on the tray. No, you gotta help me cook the turkey. Back, huh? Is back so fantastic? Is back better than me? I don't know what you mean. Give me a chance. Give me a chance to show you. So? What you gonna do, boo? Boys, I just... Trina? Oh, Trina. What? He's taking me to a Laker game and... Oh! Grandma, I don't have time to hear about your pain. I don't have a lot of time. I have a hot fella picking me up in the circuit. You're staying home tonight. I'll I'm not a good boy. Okay, George. Watching Oompa Loompa now! All I wanna know is when we're letting go, so we can get this record to break. Oh my God, now, baby, don't stay. Shut up, man. We have tons of time. So to get to school, Trina's gonna have to go up to Mulholland and take the long way. 40-minute drive. Do you really? You don't want me to shave my legs? Oh, I'll do it. Yeah. Just let me drive you to school. Nice. Go, please. Now go. Drop smells so fruity. Trina has no talent, right? No. Then how did she pass her audition and get to go to school here? 4 years ago. Back then, Trina did have talent. Oh yes. She could sing like an angel. There she was on that stage, singing like an angel. Me, Trina Vega. Oh my gosh. Thank you. God bless you all. You got some. Let me see. Right. Alright, here's the real story. So 4 years ago, Trina did her audition, and it was like torture, but not the good kind. It's an all-night party, the dream scene. So carefully check the no boxes on our forms. Absolutely. Interesting. She still some sort of device under the floor. Trina Vega, yes, yes. Trina Vega, yes. Unless you guys are up for a challenge. I fight all 5 of you. If I win, you let me in the Hollywood Arts. Let's dance. Foolish charm. Bring it on, boo. But I don't want time to say goodbye. If you give me Did you guys bring water? Then I guess not. I'm a what you call in it to win it. All about the razzle dazzle. Oh, hey, Beth. I didn't know you were coming over. You got a little something. I'll be right back.